your stuff away and check out.
So before I start pressure washing the porch, I am spraying it with this crud cutter. It is a heavy duty disinfectant. I am just saturating the really dark areas, and then I will let it sit for about 10 minutes. By the time I go and get the pressure washer and hook it up, it should be perfect timing.
Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Okay, so now that is done, I am going to fertilize the front and backyard. Also, one day, organize this chest. It needs a good decluttering, and there are things in there that don't belong in there. So anyway, I'm going to use my Lorganite. I use this a few times a year. It's inexpensive, it works great, and it is pet safe. But I will tell you, it doesn't smell great. But I think all fertilizers have a stench to them. I don't mind having the stinkiest house on the block for a few days. It is well worth it.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone.
And another benefit of me doing this is I get a few thousand additional steps added to my 10,000 steps a day goal.
Running. Everyone says that I should get going, so running. But how am I supposed to run when I'm falling? I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble.
Once I finished, I turned the sprinklers on for a few minutes just to get the ground wet.
I don't wanna get in trouble. To see where you stand, I don't wanna see you cry.
was planning on dusting this day, but then I captured this live pet dander. This is from Cherie doing one of those shakes that dogs do after a bath, but she didn't have a bath. So this was motivation to start dusting. So if you're wondering what I'm using, I am using the Method wood cleaner, which smells amazing. And then I'm going to go over it with Pledge to give it that nice polished look. So here's a little story about this Eiffel Tower. Back in 2002, I moved to Costa Mesa. I went to Target, and this was in the garden center. So I fell in love with it immediately. Brought it home. I had no intentions of putting it in my garden. And it has been in our living room since then. So for 20 years, I have had this in our living room. We've had different living rooms in the course of 20 years, but it's not home until this Eiffel Tower is in the living room. Does anybody else have a piece like that where like it's not home until this piece of artwork is on the wall or this clock is hung? Because that is what this piece is to me. It's home. Using my trusty e-cloth. If you've never heard of e-cloths, you literally just wet it and wipe down your surface. So the blue one is for glass, so I use that on my TVs, mirrors, windows, and I always have a streak-free, lint-free finish. I love it. And my other favorite e-cloth is for stainless steel, and again, you just wet the rag and wipe down your stainless steel and it will be a streak-free finish.
Oh time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out. When I'm too worn out. So I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. I was born to be this high. Born to be this high. Born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude? To my altitude, yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view. I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. We were born to be this high. Born to be this high. Born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring and never coming down. Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young again. Don't wanna waste life. I'll never be this dumb. I'll never be this dumb again. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. But we sure know how to have some fun. Oh, we're all idiots, idiots, everyone. We're all idiots, idiots, everyone. But we sure know how to have some fun. Yeah. We're never coming down. Never coming down. Never coming down again. We were born to be this high. Born to be this high. Born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring, never coming down.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we.
It looks like we made it to the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.